Once upon a time in the park, there was a little worm named Willy. As always, he likes to wiggle and jiggle through the green grass. Now, while Willy was wiggling through the leaves, suddenly he heard a strange sound. "Ah-choo!" And again, "Ah-choo!" Willy has never heard someone sneezing like this before. The snail was so busy sneezing that it hadn't noticed Willy staring at it. "Hello," said Willy. "Hi," said the snail with watering eyes from the sniffles, just like someone was crying. "Why are you crying?" asked Willy. "No, I am not crying at all," said the snail, while Willy wiggled his way to the leaf where the snail was. "I have the sniffles, and I am sneezing," said the snail. Willy had never heard a snail sneeze before, so he was quite surprised. The snail could not stop sneezing from the sniffles, and Willy felt a bit bad for the snail. He wanted to help him. He knew how miserable it could be when you had the sniffles. Willy had an idea. He remembered one time when he had the sniffles that a wise owl once said, "When you have the sniffles, you should eat some sneezelweed. I know just what to do for the sniffles, and I will be right back," said Willy to the snail, and he wiggled his way through the park to find some sneezelweed for the snail. Willy has found it. He arrived at a large field of green leaves. As far as Willy could look, he could see sneezelweed plants with big leaves. Just what he was looking for. He quickly grabbed the biggest leaf he could find and wiggled back to the snail. "A juicy leaf of sneezelweed that helps for when you have the sniffles. Here you go," says Willy. "One nibble of this sneezelweed and your sneezing and sniffling will stop," said Willy to the snail. Well, the snail looked at the leaf and was a bit doubtful to eat the leaf. After all, why would this leaf help anything? It looked like any other leaf, but he was so sniffy, he decided to give it a try. The snail takes a careful nibble. His nose wiggles, his eyes twitch, and then nothing. It worked! Cheers the snail, smiling wide. "Thank you, Willy." Willy looked at the snail and saw that it worked. The sneezing and sniffling is gone. Willy was so happy for the snail and could nothing but put on a big smile. The snail's face lit up. It really worked. No more sneezing. "Thank you, Willy," the snail said. "I'm Sammy, by the way. Nice to meet you." "Sammy," said Willy, laughing. From that day on, Willy and the snail became the best of friends. They would often play together in the garden and eat some leaves together. The end for a day of sneezing, sniffling, and sneezelweed. Until next time.